How do engineers predict the exact moment something will break? Let's get into it.
Well, it all starts with a key idea. Not all materials break in the same way. Yep, things either fail in a ductile way or a brittle way. This distinction is everything.
Think of ductile materials that deform first versus brittle ones that fail without any warning.
All right, so let's start with ductile materials. Their failure process is something called yielding.
Yielding is the point where a material permanently deforms. It's just not bouncing back.
To predict this, engineers use two main theories you've got to know, Tresca and von Mises.
The Tresca theory gives us this hexagon shape. If the stress stays inside it, you're safe. Now, the second theory, von Mises, is different. It focuses on the material's change in shape. And what we've found from experiments is that failure comes from this distortion, not a change in volume. So, here's where it gets really interesting. Let's compare these two safe zones visually. And it turns out that von Mises' ellipse is just more accurate for most real-world materials. Okay, let's switch gears to brittle materials. These things don't yield, they just fracture.
And unlike yielding, fracture is sudden. It's an abrupt and honestly a pretty catastrophic failure.
Look at this. You get a clean snap when you pull it, but a weird spiral crack when you twist it. A simple model for this is called the maximum normal stress theory. It's all about tensile stress. This creates a simple square safe zone. If your stress hits the edge of this box, it fractures. But for stuff like concrete, we need something more complex, like the Moore-Coulomb theory. This theory is so cool. It combines cohesion, how it sticks together, and its internal friction. Okay, so how do engineers actually use all of this stuff in real-world designs?
Well, one key concept is the shear center. It's the magic spot to apply a load without any twisting.
For a symmetric shape, it's easy, right in the middle. But for something like a C-channel, it's actually outside. So if you apply a load away from that spot, you're going to get torsion, adding a lot of stress. So let's recap. Ductile materials yield, brittle ones fracture, and these theories create safe design zones. But here's a final thought. With all the new materials out there, will these classic theories be enough?